price. Within the day, your PC fix, no tricks. Desktop or laptop upgrade, parts replacement. Bawat serbisyo quality, hindi ka mabibigo, garantisado. From basic cleaning to deep cleaning, kami andiyan. Mga technical na problema, ayos lang, we got your back, bro. PCtech2GO, serbisyo'y top. Fixing your tech, walang hintay, walang stop. PC repairs all day. Laptop, desktop, upgrade parts, don't delay.